So in today's video, we'll see how we can actually get free hosting access and a free domain for 1 year on PawnHoster. Now, if you try to visit the main website, you're gonna find only 3 customized hosting plans. Now, the names are based on the chess game, but wherever you can clearly understand that Pawn is for most beginners, Knight is for small and medium business owners, and lastly, King is for advanced users and developers, or basically any user who wants max performance and unlimited features in everything. So the free hosting program is actually based on these particular plans. Now if you choose the Pawn package, you will automatically get 30 days of free hosting. This applies whether you choose monthly or yearly billing, doesn't matter, you will still get the free hosting offer. For the Knight plan, the same rules apply, but this time you get 60 days of free hosting access. And for the King package, you get the benefit of 90 days of free hosting on the best plan we offer. Now, when it comes to the free domain for 1 year, this offer is only available for customers who choose the yearly billing option. So here are the free domain extensions applied to each plan. If you're planning to go for the Pawn or Knight package, you can get free domain registration with the following extensions only. But if you prefer to go with the King plan, these are the additional extensions available. Now here is an extra tip you should be aware of. If I visit the main page of the website and choose the monthly billing cycle, you can see that the King plan costs around $10 per month, but I will still get 3 months of free hosting, which gives me extra days to keep my website alive and access all the features that PawnHoster provides. After that, if you're satisfied with the service, I highly recommend you to upgrade your account to a 1 year or 2 year billing cycle to get a much bigger discount. So that's it for today's video. If you have any concerns or questions, make sure to let us know in the comments below. We will be more than happy to reply.